want to be on YouTube? Wave and say hi. All right. Have a good day.
Hello everyone, roundup from the dive you just saw. I had a long dive out there in that river today. It was a lot of fun. The current was really ripping in certain areas. Went a little bit further up there than I'd ever had. I was in the water almost 3 hours. Killed the battery on this camera, so I don't know where exactly it left off or if all this stuff got on there or not. But this is what I have. Seemed to be a sunglass day, as well as a day for rope. I'll start off with rope. So this was just a length of rope that was there, and it has like a piece of lead taped up in there. I'm not really sure what anybody would use that for. Maybe a sounding of some sort, but in a river that's not much more than 20 feet deep at the deepest, not sure what anybody would have that there for. The other rope I found was, I thought it was just a length of rope until I got to pulling it out of the rocks, and then I realized that, hey, I had a magnet on the end of it. So somebody was magnet fishing and got it wedged in there. But it is a nice piece of rope. I'm not sure I'd ever use the magnet, but never know. Glasses everywhere. Let's tell you what, let's go up here first. Clean canteen cup, stainless steel. And this is supposedly, I guess, a waterproof or maybe just a water resistant speaker of some sort. It's pretty heavy. Sounds like it has water in it, so I'm not sure that it was actually waterproof or not. I'll have to check it out. Did find a golf ball, so it is an official dive. Gas station glasses all over the place. These are, I suppose, just gas station glasses. I don't know if anybody recognizes the logo, knows what they are, let me know. Was the day for Disney glasses. A princess of some sort. Bet you she was sad to lose those. And then this was was that Buzz Lightyear or maybe one of the Transformers, I guess. I'm not sure which one. Don't watch the movies. I'm thinking that even though I did find a couple of pair of Ray-Bans, that these were probably more valuable to the kids that lost them than were the Ray-Bans to the parents. Yep, gas station. Not sure what Neff is, if that's an advertisement or brand. These are, sorry for the bad video, Tory Burch sunglasses. Anybody have an idea or can let me know in the comments? Gas station glasses, I guess. A couple pair of Ray-Bans. Both of them say made in Italy, so hopefully the lenses were made out of crystal so that they will clean up well. This pair have been down there for quite some time. But again, made in Italy, new Wayfarer. Hopefully they'll clean up. Ray-Bans or expensive Ray-Bans or any type of expensive glasses are usually very cleanable. So, other than that, I did find a whole lot of garbage down there, a lot of clothing that I pulled out. I'll look through it and see if something worthy of being donated, but other than that, they just end up in the trash. Just like to get them out of the river. That's about it. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you've a mind to, and tell a friend. Hit the subscribe. See you in the water.